Hello, beautiful entities. I hope all is well with any and everyone who is witnessing this video. So today, I felt impelled to come on and to relay a quick message to all my creatives, which I feel the Creator has given each and every one of us a talent, a skill. Creativity is in us and all around us. And it is something that is authentic to the individual. Now, I appreciate technology and it is helpful, it's beneficial, but I would just like to say, please do not solely rely on technology. It can never replace your authenticity. Please don't stop writing, don't stop composing. Pick up a pen, some paper, write down lyrics, poems, music. Please do not solely rely on technology to create your creativity, okay? Like I said, do not solely rely on technology to create your magic. It is imperative that we have authenticity. We were all created divinely and intricately, and our voices need to be heard. The Creator has given us an imagination, and it can take us any and everywhere. We all have one. So don't let technology stifle yours. Please use it. Please know that we all possess it. Creativity is within each and every one of us. It may be latent. It may not have been developed quite yet, but it's there. So just keep being you, being your authentic self, expressing yourself how you see fit. So I just want to encourage you to not solely rely on technology to express your inner thoughts, your creativity, imagination. Let the world see it. We need to see it. So I hope all is well with everyone, and I wish everyone peace, love, and may the Creator be with you all. Thank you.